the Durango RT. Chilling right now. Late night. Try to see if we get a top speed run. Once I get enough space. Try to get a top speed run in the Durango RT for you guys. If you hear that V8 scream. Get a little night POV going on for you guys right now. The cops are on the lookout, man. The cops in Mexico are out here. They're really on the lookout, so gotta be very careful because they'll be hiding in some corners, man. Out here, we're eating donuts until they see somebody fly by. They could chase you, turn on the lights real quick, and get your ass. So, look, T told you, look, Dunkin' Donuts right there. See, I'm telling you guys, man, this ain't no joke. Do a little quick pull for you guys. Small pull for you guys, real quick, you know. Little sign. Little sign. I'm definitely gonna show you guys a top speed run though today. This video will be a top speed run, night top speed run. So there's a cop over there, I think. Let me see. No, it's just a cleaner. I'm telling you, man, these guys be on like the weirdest spots, bro. Hiding, bro. It's like when you least expect it. He's like right there. Like, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I got this truck, the truck over here. That truck, I don't know what is it, like a Ford Ranger or what? Like he cutting up, bro. Like, I was not expecting him to be moving the way he's moving. Look like the truck got a raise and stuff. I'm gonna try to catch up to him now. Now that I got the camera on, you know. But it don't even look like he got lights on, to be honest. Like, you see him? Gonna give you guys a good night POV. Put it on sport mode real quick. Boom. You guys want to know how reliable these trucks are? Look how many miles I got. 77,810 miles, bro. This car is still strong. 5.7 Hemi, man. Reliable. But yeah, I'm trying to see if I can have fun with this truck. Let's see what we can do. See if we can have some fun. It's a Tesla in front of him right now, kind of messing him up, but you can see we're in Mexico having some fun right now. All of us. I'm about to close this sunroof because it's making mad wind noise. There we go. Take the wind noise out. Everybody's taking these corners like 60 plus miles an hour, man. That truck wobbling though. You saw that? That truck wobbling, bro. You don't even care, bro. You better leave a like, guys. Leave a like. Comment down below if you like the videos like this, night POVs like this, in the RT Durango. Oh, he moving. Definitely have. How we beating the Tesla over here? Look. Definitely gonna be a top speed run in this video. That truck can't take corners like the Durango though. Like Durango is like, it's a big car, but it's low. It's not high like the pickup trucks. So definitely takes corners better than a big pickup truck. It just makes me wonder how the 392 handles, like, and how fast it is, and the Hellcat Durango. Those things got to be like extra fun, especially because they're all-wheel drive. No problem putting the power down. because this 5.7 is fun for what it is. It's not the fastest thing out there, but it's fun, especially the sound you get. It's torquey. But we're about to take the espresso. It's goodbye to the truck. We're definitely gonna get this top speed run in this video. Would have more space, would have got it now, but it's all right. Let's wait for this Highlander to move out the way. Probably a Lyft rider or Uber rider, who knows. Come on, bro. I'm just trying to get back home, man. Get out the way, man. You're messing up the fun right now. People want to see me pull in this thing. Look, there's another pickup truck over there we're trying to catch up to. Like, move out the way, bro. Man, yo, there's a Camry or something behind me. No top speed yet. I'm trying to make sure everything's clear before I even try to attempt that. Once the road is clear, I'll definitely got you guys. Trust me. It's gonna be in this video, top speed run. Just don't wanna, you know, do it unsafely. Once I get a good, clear straightaway, got you guys. Definitely, that Corolla is right behind me again. It's on my ass. Like he's trying to catch up. Catch up all you want, bro. Go ahead, catch up. He's moving up closer now. Look. Like I said, I don't like putting nobody in danger. We're in Mexico, but you know, in Mexico we gotta be safe. So, not trying to do no top speed run if it's not a straightaway. Wait for this. Once I hit this straightaway, then I'll try to do the pull, which should be after this corner right here.
The speed limit is 50 miles per hour.
And that's the top speed, guys. 118 miles an hour is the top speed in the Durango. Yeah, top speed in Durango RT from 2017 is 118 miles an hour, sadly. I wish the limiter was off because I'm pretty sure this thing could go 150 with no problem, but it wants to so bad, but just stay, as you saw, it just stays stuck at 118, then it goes 117, it's gonna go back 118. But at least you guys know that we hit the top speed in this video. It's definitely a dope POV. The night POVs are definitely hit different. They feel different and just more funner, I guess. Moving out here. Sounds so good though. Sounds amazing, bro. I always love driving this truck, bro. I just don't like the gas mileage on it. But then again, that's not what you buy this car for. It's miles per gallon, not miles per gallon, right? But everybody's cutting up tonight, though. What? Like, everybody's cutting up tonight, bro. Look, I'm pretty sure this guy's gonna move to the right lane. Look, without no signal, too. Told you guys. And that Corolla's right there, bro. This Corolla's still following me, bro. Got passed, bruh. Dusted that Corolla, bro. Dusted, bro. Dusted. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this POV. If you want more POVs like this, just leave a like I said. Comment down below that you want more, and I'll make more POVs like this happen. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, stay positive, stay humble, manifest your goals, your dreams, and you always make it happen. Remember that.